Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change your user folder name in Windows 11 safely. First of all, create a new administrator account. Before changing the username folder, it's safest to create a temporary admin account. First of all, go to the settings, then go to the accounts. Here you will find the option called family. Click on that. Then you can add someone. Add account and give it administrator right. And step 2 is to log out and log in. Log out of your current account and log into the temporary admin account. This is required to rename the original user folder. Now another step is to rename user folder. Open the file explorer. After you have opened the file explorer, right click your old user folder, then rename and type your new name. After you have done that, update the registry. To open the registry, open the Windows plus R and search as REGDIT, Regedit, REGEDIT and press enter. And simply allow it, and this kind of folder will open. Now here you need to go to local machine and you need to go to software. After going here, you need to go to Microsoft Windows NT. After that, go to the current version and profile list. Find your old profile, double click profile image path and change it to the new folder path. And step 5 is to log back in, log out of the temporary account and log into your rename account. Everything should work correctly with new folder name. And that's it, you have successfully renamed your user folder in Windows 11. If this helped, like, subscribe and share for more Windows tips, and I'll see you in the next one.